Kaya ng Diyos pinapahintulot, magtiis tayo sa paglilingkod para hindi tayo magtiis sa parusa na darating sa sanglibutang ito. God called us to suffer for Him that we may not suffer the coming tribulations to this world. Alam mo, ang mga pangyayari ngayon sa mundo, lalong nagbibigay dahilan. It gives us more reasons. These troubles that we see today in the world gives us more reason to serve God faithfully. Kaya sabi ng Panginoon, do not be frightened. Don't panic. Because the end will not come immediately. The Lord will be giving you more opportunity to serve Him. So make use of your time, make use of your talent. Do your best in serving the Lord.